In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-step verification on Telegram. Two-step verification adds a second layer of protection to your account by requiring a password in addition to the login code you get when signing in on a new device. It helps keep your messages and contacts safe even if someone gets access to your phone number or intercepts a login code. Start by opening Telegram. You can do this on the web, desktop, or mobile app. The path is essentially the same. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to protect. Next, open the main menu by tapping the three horizontal lines in the top left corner, then choose Settings. This is where you control your account preferences and security. Inside Settings, go to Privacy and Security. This section centralizes all the features that help safeguard your account, including who can see your information and how you confirm new logins. Now, look for two-step verification under the Security section and select it. This is the feature that adds the extra password on top of Telegram's usual login code. Choose Set Additional Password. Telegram will walk you through creating a password that will be required anytime you sign in on a new device. Type a strong password, then re-enter it to confirm. Aim for at least 12 characters with a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using common words, birthdays, or anything easy to guess. If you use a password manager, this is a great place to store it securely so you won't forget it. Next, configure a password hint and a recovery email. The hint should jog your memory without giving the password away. Think of a clue only you would understand. For the recovery email, choose an address you control and can access quickly. It's what you'll use if you ever forget your password. Double check for typos before continuing. Now open your email inbox and look for a verification message from Telegram. It contains a short code you'll need to confirm your recovery email. If you don't see it right away, give it a minute, then check your spam or junk folder. Never share this code with anyone. Return to Telegram and enter the verification code to activate two-step verification. Once accepted, you'll see confirmation that the feature is enabled. From now on, any new login will need both the Telegram login code and the additional password you just set. That's it. Your Telegram account is now much more secure. Keep your recovery email up to date, store your password safely, and you're good to go.